Audio recording for this meeting has begun.
Welcome to ASCE Student Chapter Webinar Series number 4, Well-Rounded Student Chapters. Hello, I'm Lori Troxel, and I'm the Faculty Advisor at Vanderbilt University.
And I'm Gerarda Shields, the Department Head at New York City College of Technology.
And we are both members of the ASCE Committee on Student Members. Student chapters can and should do several different types of activities to serve a variety of students. I'm going to give you some ideas to get you started. Hosting several different types of meetings is a good way to start. You can invite professional engineers from the community to speak about their projects. Students can be your speakers also. For example, at the first meeting of each school year, we have students give presentations about their internships. Faculty can speak about their research. Two topics that are easy to neglect but are very important are licensure and ethics. Ask your professional speakers to address these two topics, and you will find out how important they are. Another way to learn about ethics is to encourage students in your chapter to write a paper for the Mead competition, a paper about ethics in engineering. Field trips to construction sites or interesting engineering sites are good ways to introduce students to the civil engineering profession, while also providing a time for students to get to know each other. Speaking of getting to know each other, social functions are important too. Gerarda, what are some good ideas for social functions?
Well, Lori, I've heard of student chapters having a social hour each Friday afternoon. Others have had competitions to build the tallest tower out of index cards and paper clips, or something similar. I've also heard of trivia or engineering knowledge competitions. All of these help build community in your university.
Yeah, those are great ideas. You can also extend invitations to other organizations on campus to co-host an event. National ASCE provides two competitions that are beneficial to students. The Concrete Canoe provides hand-on experience, and the Dan Mead Paper Competition helps students apply ethics to civil engineering. Finally, community service can help attract even more students to ASCE. Students can use their engineering and problem-solving skills to help out their community. Gerarda, do you have any other thoughts to help student chapters be well-rounded?
I do have some. First, I want students to know that a good resource is the grading rubric for the annual report. This can be found on the website shown on the screen. This rubric lists activities that help your chapter become well-rounded. However, I do want to emphasize that each chapter should do activities that make sense for their chapter. Smaller chapters especially should select activities that meet the needs of their students and not try to do everything. Be creative. The annual report is a great starting point, but chapters can be creative in developing other activities. Try to include both social and educational activities. Both are important for learning and for building community. Finally, I want to add that it is good to promote yourself. You can do this through newsletters, websites, and social media. Make sure your department chair, your dean, and other leaders in your school and community know about the great things that you're doing.
Great points, Gerarda. Thank you. And thank you for joining us for webinar number 4. Check out the Student Chapter website if you'd like more information.